Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be telling you about WhatsApp marketing sources. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand how you can successfully run WhatsApp marketing. So basically, this channel is Make Money Online Updates. In this channel, we'll give you updates on making money online, how you can make money online, and everything about that. You can check previous video if you want to see more about this type of video. All I want you to do right now is to pay close attention to everything I'll be saying in this video so you don't miss any points, right? Okay, let's jump into it. Now, there are three ways in this video. There are three best ways you can use to make money through WhatsApp. I mean, a whole lot of money. This video telling you guys about a whole lot of money. How you can use your regular WhatsApp you use in chatting, you use in doing all sorts of things that you're not making any money from. Right now, by the end of this video, you should be able to make some money off your WhatsApp. Right now, the first platform the first method we're using here is Facebook ads. Facebook ads. Yes, I'm talking about WhatsApp and I'm including Facebook ads. So what this really means is that you run a campaign on Facebook. If you're an existing business, if you own a business or you're planning to start up a business, yeah, I think that's why you find this video, right? Yeah. So you use Facebook ads to connect viewers to your WhatsApp. So what this basically means is that you create a Facebook page. I'm a content creator, regular content creators. What we do is that you create a Facebook page and you have an ads account. You use it to promote your videos. Now, this is the same method we're using here as a business owner. What you do is that you create a Facebook page and you run ads campaign and bring customers to your WhatsApp. So what you will necessarily do here is that when you're running your advert, instead of targeting a site or every other thing, you target your WhatsApp account. Now, all you have to do is to learn about how you can make good ads on Facebook, or you can reach out to Facebook adverts guru experts like me to help you do it. You connect your WhatsApp number to the product you are promoting on Facebook, and you get customer to reach out to you directly on your WhatsApp. So yeah, that is the first method. I won't waste your time, guys. That's the first method you use to get customers on WhatsApp. Now, another method, which I think is the easier method, is the WhatsApp TV. The WhatsApp TV. Now, this method is divided into two categories, and it's as simple as this. Now, what you do in this method is that you pay WhatsApp TVs. WhatsApp TVs are people that have a lot of contacts on their WhatsApp. Some of them have about 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depending on how large the audience of the WhatsApp TV is, and that's how they charge. You pay them some little fee, and they help you post your product. They help you advertise your product. Now you get customers directly. Why this method is very easy is that these people are already on WhatsApp, and that's why they see your stuff. So it's easier to just click your link on WhatsApp and message you and get your products sold immediately. So that's the first method in WhatsApp TV. And the second method in WhatsApp TV is that you can actually give WhatsApp TVs your link and tell them, okay, I do so business. Maybe you do cake, for instance. You just write a simple message. Here, my name is Joy and I make cakes, different kind of cakes, and everything you just like to spice them and put them out there, and they help you promote your link, and you get people that want to be your friend, people that want to be your business partners, people that want to patronize you. Everybody will message you and you save their contact. Then you have to build trust in your own brand, starting to update your status and every other thing, and you keep those audience and they later turn to sales. It's as simple as that. So what you have to do right now is to get someone that have a very large contact on WhatsApp, then promote your stuff, and that's it. Another means you can use to gain this WhatsApp success is through WhatsApp group. Yeah, WhatsApp group. Most WhatsApp group, you think they are not lively, but you don't know the power of WhatsApp. You don't know the power of WhatsApp group until you implement this. So what you have to do is that you just go to WhatsApp groups and advertise your stuff. Try to target WhatsApp group that you are very active at, WhatsApp groups that knows you. Maybe just target those WhatsApp group that knows you, and all of them promote your stuff there, and you see you make sales. You make sales, guys. These things are really effective. Now, I don't think anyone should be online and you should not be making money. I actually made my first money online from WhatsApp, and I don't own a business of my own, guys. I'll be making another video about that, how you can make a whole lot of money on WhatsApp without owning a business. But for now, these are the basic necessity you need to use to start making a living on your business on WhatsApp. Now, the very last one, this is a bonus. I know I mentioned three and I've given you three. This is a bonus one, and trust me, guys, this is the very best. In this guide, this covers you the whole information you can use to start making a whole lot of money on WhatsApp. Now, the method I've mentioned before, these are methods that you can use to actually make some money, but they won't be actually that big. But if well implemented, you can make a whole lot of money. But this one I'm telling you guys about now, after getting this whole information, you'll be able to make from 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures online. And I'm not kidding. So this method is all packaged, and I'll just leave the link in my description and in my comment section. I'll pin the comments in the comment section of this video. What you have to do is to click that link and you use it to access the full information about this thing I'm about to tell you. I really don't want to say everything about on this YouTube video, not to make it long, but trust me guys, if you click this link and get this course, you'll be able to make a whole lot of money on WhatsApp. Every secret that everyone is using, everyone that's making it big out there are using, is included in this message that you're about to see when you click this link. So what you have to do right now is to click that link in my description. You can message me on WhatsApp with the number showing on your screen to get full information on everything you have to know about this WhatsApp marketing. If there's anything you are not clear about in this video, make sure you drop your questions in the comment section, or you can message me on WhatsApp. I'm very active and I will respond to you quickly. Please do make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video. It helps this video to reach more people like you that are searching for this. Like this video, drop a comment, and do subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more information, more goodies for you guys that you actually need to start making a lot of money online. Thank you. All right guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye.